Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshit here. How you doing? Ellaru hegidira. So like you already know what's happening. Got this new helmet. I know you see with the avatar of this, right? I've removed the visor because I've started to ceramic coat this. That is the same pro tip that I gave you from the previous video as well, right? So that's how I've taken out the visor. So this is how the helmet would look like. So this is the KYT TT course Masia helmet from Moto 3, I guess. Yeah, Moto 3. Yeah. So the size is XL. It's actually one size more than what I use because I put Barclava and I'm planning to put the Senna to this as well. So the best part about this helmet is it has speaker pockets. So let me try to show it to you guys. I'm not sure if I can do justice in the camera, but if you look at here closely, you have a speaker pocket here which can be removed, and once you remove the pocket, you'll have a small thing covering it. So Senna goes straight into it because in my older bomb helmet, what basically used to happen, my ears used to rub around the speaker. So that thing is sorted now. So with this, I also, what does come with this box, right? So let me show you to you guys on that. So let me keep this aside first. Please ignore the look of the helmet. So this is the box that it comes with. And inside the box, of course, you get the plain visor. So I haven't removed the front of it because waiting for it to remove here. Let's see. So front is yet to be ceramic coated. I need to do it. See. Oh, flop. So this is the clear visor that I have, and I did also order an additional visor to it, which I'll show you in a minute, but it comes with this bag. Decent, not great. And you also get one book about this. It says TT course, which also has 2 KYT stickers in it. Not sure where I'm going to stick it. Let's see. This is the book. And then I ordered this black color. This is full dark smoke visor. All right, so this is how it's going to look like, and I've ceramic coated here like I usually do. And let me open this side for now. So this is how the clear visor would look like, and then this goes into the dustbin, and this is how the visor would look like. And this is the only thing that comes with the helmet, by the way. And overall first impressions of the helmet, on the shell wise, it does look good. On the wind noise, I don't know. I'll test it on my 6R. But one immediate thing that I want to say, in terms of the padding of the cushioning, it is very soft. You can see it. It's like absolutely feels like it's a very used sort of cushion. It doesn't have that much cushion inside it, which is a bummer, but it comes with D-ring, which means that you can always have a snug fit. So in the following video, I'll try to show how I'll put the Senna to it along with the speakers, and then of course I'm also going to mount my vlogging mic here. That is another thing that I'm going to do. So with that, this is the setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and the price for this is 7,200 only for the helmet, and then the additional black visor cost with the black visor is around 1,200 for that. And pin lock, I did not get a pin lock, the fog eliminator one. It's a bummer again. I wish it should have come by it, but it's unfortunate. You can't do anything about it. So we'll deal with that anyway. So with that, thank you so much for taking your time and seeing this video. I'll see you on the content and the vlog. Take care. Bye.